Good things happen on a Honda. Let them happen to you. Back in Connecticut, as you can see, tires are coming in today, so let's take these off and clean up the rust in these rims, maybe bang them out a little bit, and hopefully new tires will hold. Rat was saying just put tubes, and I guess I probably could have got away with just putting tubes. We'll put new tires. Use the old Arc Captain Impact. Thing works pretty good. I keep it in my Jeep now. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I should definitely use those. Maybe I'll leave them off and do like Rat said, put tubes in them for the front of this in case I ever do anything with this. Well, that one's a little beat up, but nothing like the other ones. That was already off, and this was bouncing around in that tire. That's why you're supposed to change them every time. Let's see this one. That was a neat idea. I wonder if I can make another piece like this. I don't think that'll pull through though. A little shorter. Think the tree people will be here today?
Maybe. He said they would be.
Yeah, he's not letting the ball drop. Look how taut that line is. Completely straight. That telephone pole got knocked over. And the cedar tree is the only thing holding it. That was a dead tree. Took out the other tree. There's a line. Then it goes against that tree. Yeah, look how taut that line is. I mean, it's like straight. She's leaning. Got chunks of rust. Got to knock off top and bottom, inside and out. I'm not going for showroom. I just want enough of it off so I can paint it up. Maybe stop that rust from coming back. And the bead will hold, hopefully. Yeah, I'm not looking for a showroom paint job. Just hold the rust back. Earl Shive, $99.99.
I'm Earl Shive, and for $49.95, I'll paint your car and give you $10 metalwork absolutely free.
Like I said, it's not for showroom quality. I finally got my pole fixed. Well, that's much better. They tied it off with a guideline to the tree. It's only in the ground about maybe 3 feet because there's a big piece of ledge here. So he says they're bringing in an actual driller that will drill through rock. At least that's one good thing that come out of this. What's up, Minitruck? And I need you already, Mini. FedEx screwed up again. Left it over my neighbor's house on a completely different road. I don't know how they're doing that, to tell you the truth. Let's go, Minitruck! They're getting all tangled up in my stuff hanging out. I don't know why the guy backed out. He drove in and backed out. These are the cheapest tires I could find on eBay and Amazon. But even after that, and looking, they're the best tread. I would have picked them anyway. Thanks again, Minitruck. You're the best. I like them. Told you it's not showroom quality here, my paint. Put some new stems in here. Use the tamp off. Can't chip my new paint. That beautiful, beautiful paint job. Can't do that. Pull the schrader out because it reduces the volume of air. This thing is loud, let me tell you. Oh, not all the way in. Did order a new front master. That screw came out, that one did not. I cut a groove in it, even bent the blade on the screwdriver. It was so cheap, it was like $13. I bought a brand new one, and I have a feeling it probably leaked out here because I checked the lines, I don't see a hole. I did order tubes for those. Is that plug supposed to go in there or on the rim? Because it was on the rim. Maybe I'll look at that. Looks like they're supposed to go on the rim. Guess I should have cleaned these up. Yeah. Probably so you could drain them out if the water gets in there. They definitely go on the rim. And then that pushes against that. Bet you Honda doesn't do this anymore. Maybe they do. I don't know. Whoops. Of course they don't. Everything disc brakes now. How's that? I like them. Now for the rear. Billy's gonna call me and we're both going out. We're gonna check and see how this is running. I think she's gonna be good because I started it but didn't record it. And it pretty much started right up. Hey, that one's missing a cap. I guess we'll take it off of this one. What the heck? Huh. What the heck? Where'd that come from? I didn't even notice that on there. Or in there. Phew. It stinks like there's water in it. Stagnant water or something. Wow, do I have to do these upside down? Yeah, they're so deep.
That's what he says.
I have to do it upside down. Because you got to get the back of that bead inside there. Much better. There's slime in there or something. Oof. P.U. Ugh. Clean these up. Yeah, see, they're a little rusty. Worse than the other ones I used, right? Let's take the Honda Davidson Shadow 750 to Walmart to get some more paint. I would take the CVR 600RR, but there's no place to put anything on there. Let's cruise, Shadow.
I know. I should have took Whitey, the Condor, the DRZ. Those all have to be spring checked, and I have not. But I will soon. This is ready to go. Brother! Oh, that was an electric dirt bike. Someone's getting a new driveway paved. Brother! Even nosed out a little bit so I don't get run into.
leaving my helmet on just because lost a door on this camera again. I better get 3 because if I end up doing them other rims, if I fix up that other 4-wheeler, the parts one, worth it if it runs. Am I right?
Evolution does not necessarily reward intelligence.
Paint.
I know. I gotta give you my ID, right?
You gotta be 18 or older to buy, you know.
I know. If someone's dumb enough to want to huff paint, right?
Anything with aerosol.
I know. That's crazy.
Goes off for BBs. By BBs, you gotta be 16 or older.
Oh, that's stupid
Some
too.
horror movies, they go off. And I'm like, really?
Everybody's getting dumber and dumber, it seems.
With no natural predators to thin the herd, it began to simply reward those who reproduced the most.
What, man, this
Not
thing.
your cards, pin pads. Put it back in.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I had this happen once in Florida, and I was wondering if something was up with the. I have another card if that doesn't work.
Yeah, that might.
And this one was
You might
acting
need
up
a new
too.
one of those.
I went to a gas station that something was wrong. I plugged it in, tried both, it didn't work. After that, none of these chips are working. I wonder if it fried the chips or something. What's going on? Now it's stuck.
Over this one. When they're almost finished.
Let's try this again. I'm telling you, man, I think that gas station wiped up. You put it away.
And so it went for generations, although few, if any, seemed to notice.
Card swipe not allowed. What the hell?
Hang on a second. Get rid of this.
Oh, you know what? I got the Walmart app. I might as well pay with that.
When you're ready, scan that one.
I'm telling you, I stopped at a gas station. Nothing was working on it. It was weird. The gas station up in Inglis. I put it in there and it had like a weird error on both my cards I tried and it wouldn't do it. That's the only place I use both cards to try. Ever since then, I wonder if it fried like that chip on there. Wow, look at that rust. On a rust belt. Chrome's the only thing holding it together. Hurry up and hit the back roads. Oh, here comes the ambulance. Get me out of here. What are you doing? Wow. 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 This thing needs a bigger tank. I guess every time I go out, I gotta fill it up.
The thing with me is that I am smart, and I'm self-smarted.
That's gotta be a bed and breakfast. Different cars there every week. Keep telling V to get his Harley ready. We gotta work on the carbs, I guess. Shadow's a runner. Definitely need this. Get enough iron today. As you can see, these are in much worse shape. Clean them up, paint them. Oh, what a mess. Dumbass.
Dumbass.
Should have brought a piece of cardboard out. Earl Shives.
Now save money and look young again for only $49.95.
And $10 free metalwork, too.
Wire wheeled and painted. I missed a spot. Oh, I forgot the cap. No plug on this tire because it breaks on the other side. Forgot 2 caps. This tire is the only one I didn't hear like pop on the bead.
It's all gonna be okay. Good things happen on a Honda. Let them happen to you.
I'm gonna go cool off now. Ride around a little. I still got too much air. See if I still can do this. Yep. As long as they don't fall off. Definitely bouncy with too much air in the tires. Oh, that tree they tied off. That's a good solid tree. Still on ledge. That's nice and high again. There's a tree about that big around. I hopped over in the back, hit it, was like boink. Yeah, I'm gonna let some air out. Let's see how much tire pressure it's supposed to have. Wow, 2.2 pounds. Holy cow. Crazy. Right now there is, 10. Let's see. They still got fireworks over there, huh? A little over 5. Put them all a little over 5. That's it. Looks alright. Way better than other tires. Stiff suspension and no articulation on these. So they are tanks. I just happened to push on the front of this. That doesn't move at all. I look in there. There's a solid bar right there where there's supposed to be a shock, no? That side has a shock. This side has a solid bar. What the heck? I'm gonna go look on that parts. That don't seem right, does it? Well, that clearly has a shock on this side. And that clearly has a shock on this side. What the heck? How did I not notice that? Oh, what a difference. See if I could buy new shocks for the front. That's crazy. How did I not notice that? I mean, holy cow. Wow.
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 Blue, you're my boy! Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.